Hi there, students. Succulent, an adjective. Succulently is going to be the adverb, and I guess succulence with a C at the end to talk about the quality, the noun. Okay, if you describe a piece of food as succulent, it's juicy and delicious. So, I'd just eaten a delicious succulent orange. It was full of juice. It was really tasty. It was fresh and nice and lovely. The meal that my mum cooked for me was absolutely succulent. It was delicious. Okay, so if something is succulent, it's tender, it's juicy, it's tasty, it's something that you really enjoy eating it. It's moist and tasty. Yeah. Okay, then I guess you could use this word succulent more metaphorically. I've got a really succulent piece of gossip for you. Did you know that Susan next door? Okay, so something that's succulent, a succulent piece of information, or something that's rich in interest, a succulent piece of gossip, I guess a succulent story. Now, also, you can have plants which are called succulents or succulent plants, and they have thick leaves, for example like an aloe vera, which absorb water. They normally live in dry, hot climates, and they store water inside them. So, for example, if you break an aloe vera or many cactuses, they store water in their leaves and their stems, and some of them can store huge amounts of water, and these are drought resistant because they've got lots and lots and lots of juice in them, and that's the idea of them. Okay, so something that's succulent is something that's juicy, it's tasty, it's delectable. She gave me a kiss with her succulent lips. She kissed me succulently. I guess you could say that as well. So, very succulent, very interesting, a succulent piece of gossip, a succulent story on the grapevine. Okay, a succulent peach is juicy and delicious and full of moisture. A cactus is a type of succulent. Something that a plant that can store a lot of water. Pleasantly juicy food. A sirloin steak is a succulent, juicy steak. Okay, so it's succulent, it's delicious. Yeah, it's luscious. It's got all sorts of things. It's got lots of fleshy tissue that you're going to eat, or a succulent plant like an aloe vera or a cactus or something like that. So the succulence of that meal was something I will find difficult to forget. So, succulence. 5.5 informality, use anywhere. I think succulent, definitely less formal than succulence, but I think you could use both of them anywhere. And then as to origin, these come from Latin, from succulentus. Succus, juice, and ulentus, full of, abounding in, so full of juice, and that's something succulent. So I guess that's probably enough. Another succulent video for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Succulent.